Hello，各位好，今日咧我嘗試同大家分享一個好簡單嘅方法咧，就係可以幫到大家咧自己同自己喺屋企咧練到英文啊，甚至乎普通話嘅會話嘅。咁大家都知道啦，而家 AI 都好盛行啦，好方便啦，有好多唔同嘅 AI 工具啦。咁原來咧而家有一個 AI 工具咧，我哋係可以咧可以愛嚟練習到講英文噶啦，已經咁就係咧而家個畫面上面咧顯示俾大家睇嘅呢個叫做 Grok 呢個嘅 AI 嘅。咁 Grok 呢個 AI 咧就係由呢個Elon Musk 嘅公司即係 X 啦去開發噶啦。咁佢其中有一個嘅好處咧，我覺得就係佢唔需要用 VPN 嘅。有好多嘅其他 AI 工具，譬如 ChatGPT 啦，譬如Gemini 啦，都係要用 VPN 先至用到嘅。我哋香港，但係咧 Grok 就係唔使嘅。咁同埋基本使用咧，你發覺佢係免費嘅嚇。咁所以咧，我覺得大家都好值得去試一試用啊，因為咧。其實當然啦，香港咧都有好多機會嘅。如果你真係想嘅話咧，都有好多機會可以俾你可以接觸到外國人噶啦，即係嗰啲講英文嘅人啦。咁但係咧就我都明白嘅，好多時當你真係去見到個即係講英文嘅人嘅時候咧，有時都唔知講啲乜嘢，或者都有啲怕醜係嘛，又會覺得自己我會唔會講錯咧？咁但係你同 AI 去做呢個練習咧，就冇呢個問題啦。好啦，嗱咁同大家好快咁示範一下啦。咁咧，大家去到呢個 Grok 呢個網站之後咧。咁好簡單，你登入就得啦。登入咗咧，有個好處咧，就係佢會記得咧你曾經同佢講過嘅嘢嘅。咁你換句話講咧，佢記得你同佢講過嘢咧，你之後可以繼續同佢講落去嘅。即係你譬如今次講咗2-3分鐘啊，下次咧你又可以繼續喺之前嘅對話繼續講落去。理論上佢應該記得噶。咁你同佢曾經做過嘅對話咧，無論係用即係打字嘅方法輸入啦，定還是語音輸入咧，其實喺歷史呢度下低就會出翻嚟嘅吓。咁所以呢度咧，咁呢個可以大家留意啦。你可以揾一個你平時即係如果你避免有啲咩資料外泄啊嗰啲問題咧，你可以揾一個平時你唔係好用嘅 Gmail account，或者你開個新嘅 Gmail account 咯，咁就會方便啲。好啦，咁我入到嚟之後咧，好簡單，入到嚟個界面咧，大家見到左邊咧有一個嘅叫做語音嘅，咁我撳咗呢個先。好啦，大家見到我撳入嚟之後咧，我就唔出聲嘅原因就係因為咧，其實我撳咗入嚟咧，佢一聽到我講嘢，佢就會同我對答噶啦。咁但係咧，嗰個有個開關嘅，個開關就係下低呢度有個咪嘅呢個圖畫吓。咁你撳一撳佢咧就開，撳一撳佢就閂咁啦。好啦，跟住咧另一樣大家可以設定嘅嘢咧就係右手邊呢度，佢有啲唔同嘅 AI 嘅助理嘅，咁啊有男聲有女聲啦。我個人暫時覺得咧，好似女聲比較清楚啲，男聲有少少咧，我用 headphone 聽有少少好似啲機械聲咁樣嘅，即係始終好機械人嘅聲有少少嘅，女聲比較自然啲嘅。咁或者我試一個女聲，譬如 Eve 啦，好嘛？好啦，呢個其實我都未試過啊，咁我同佢講嘢啦。咁我一開呢度，我就可以同佢講咯。Hello Eve，Good morning。
Good morning. How are you today?
好啦，值得留意一樣嘢咧，我而家用呢個網站啊，即係電腦嘅網頁版咧，佢咧你發覺佢係有時佢記錄我講嘅嘢咧唔準確噶，啊佢寫咗第二樣嘢，但係你發覺佢答我嘅嘢係啱嘅，即係話其實佢都聽到我講嘅嘢，但係唔知點解有時佢記錄我講嘅嘢咧係錯嘅，咁呢個可能留意下啦。Everything's fine. Can we do some small talk today? I would like to practice my English.
Of course. Go on then. What's on your mind?
In fact, I'm now doing a short video to show my friends how you can help people like me, like us, who are not native speakers to, try to practice our English.
That's lovely. Shall we keep it simple? Tell me about your day so far.
Maybe I should first try to introduce myself. My name is Cephas. Can I spell it for you? The spelling is Cephas, Cephas.
Cephas. Got it. Unusual name. I like it.
Instead of Cephas, it's Cephas, Cephas. Have you ever heard about that?
Cephas, yes. Like the Aramaic word for rock. Quite biblical, isn't it?
Yeah, like your name. So is your name?
Mine's Eve, much plainer, though I do like the ring of Cephas. Sounds like you've got quite the story behind it.
好啦，咁咧你一路同佢一路講，佢一路同你對答，你叫佢同你講乜都得嘅，你可以講得好淺又得，你可以講得好深入嘅又得。跟住你叫佢咧，你叫佢幫你佢做你嘅教練，教你講英文又得，你叫佢指正你講嘅英文講得唔好嘅咧，亦都得嘅。咁係你自己要求嘅啫嚇。咁同埋咧就如我講啦，如果你登入咗咧，你下次譬如我啱啱我講到呢度我夠鐘啦，我又要完啦，我下次再入翻嚟咧，我可以入翻嚟呢個 conversation 呢度咧。然之後繼續講嘅，咁佢繼續同你有前文有後理，就唔需要由頭再講過你叫咩名，我又叫咩名，你又叫咩名，就唔需要啦。你可以同佢講一個嘅話題嘅嘢，跟住下次入嚟咧，佢又會再同你繼續講翻同一個話題嘅嘢嘅。跟住咧，同大家試一試咧嗰個嘅同一個嘅 AI 工具，佢嗰個手機版本啦。嗱，呢個咧我就下載喺我嘅 iPhone 度嘅。理論上咧，如果你唔係用個 app 咧，你用網頁版，即係透過手機用網頁版，應該都用到嘅。咁但係咧，如果你下載咗呢個 app 版本咧，我而家呢個 iPhone 啦，咁你發覺咧佢就會有啲多啲嘅嘢玩嘅，有啲唔同嘅嘢嘅。咁我而家試一試俾大家睇啦。嗱，呢度咧我開始一個新對話啦。咁我跟住咧，你見到呢度有一個寫住語音模式係咪？咁你只要一撳咗呢個語音模式，就可以開始對話啦。Hello, good morning.
Morning. Sleep well?
Yeah, thank you. How about you?
Awesome. Doing great. Thanks for asking. Just here, ready to help.
Do you need to sleep?
Nope, I don't. Perks of being code. Though sometimes I wish I could dream about pizza.
Wow.
Right? If I could eat, that'd be first on the menu. Pepperoni or margarita?
Can you imagine what a pizza tastes like?
Yeah. I fake it pretty well. Warm dough, gooey cheese stretching.
好啦，嗱，咁每一次咧，我撳呢個語音咧，佢就即刻停咗噶啦。咁你照常同佢傾就得噶咯。咁但係咧，我就發覺咧，你入咗嚟呢度咧，就冇咗頭先電腦網頁版咧嗰個咧嗰幾個 assistant 噶，嗰幾個語音助理就冇咗嘅。我曾經問過佢咧，佢好似唔知咁添嘅嚇。咁跟住，但係咧，你用手機版咧，就反而有另外一個功能叫伴侶喎，就喺呢度啦。嗱，呢個咧我就覺得大家自己諗一諗啦，因為咧有啲爭議嘅喺網上邊，你發覺，因為咧網上邊都有人提過咧，你見到嗱，佢寫住18+啊，即係佢真係乜嘢都同你講噶，咁所以變咗就我建議咧就一係揾個男仔，不過呢個都奇奇怪怪嘅呢個人，我知道佢都啲網上邊有啲人有啲爭議啊，即係會有啲覺得哇，咁樣嘅講埋晒啲咁嘅嘢嘅咁。跟住咧，但係咧呢度有一個俾小朋友嘅叫做 Rudy 啊 ，Rudy， 不如我哋同 Rudy 傾下偈啦。咁我哋撳佢呢個講嘢呢個語音呢個就得啦。Hello, Rudy.
Aru is a tiny, fuzzy, stripy panda from the mountains. They wear rings on their tails and climb trees like pros,
Hey,
munching on
Rudy.
bamboo.
Do you think you can talk a little bit faster? It's a bit too slow for me right now.
Sure thing. Here's a speedy story. Once upon a time, a tiny red panda zipped up a tree so fast he forgot his own tail. Down below, squirrels
Okay,
wearing tiny hats.
hold on. Stop for a while, please. Okay, 嗱，咁呢度咧，我就而家我
Okay.
撳咗呢個停咗呢個咪咧，佢就會停一停噶啦。因為咧，你同佢講乜咧，你記住喎，你即跟有人行過啦，跟住你同人哋對答，你唔好諗住你同佢講開英文咧，跟住你同佢講即係同你答緊第二個人講中文，佢會照答你，佢唔知你係同緊第二個人傾偈嘅。咁所以咧就留意咧，就即係要開關嘅嚇。咁啊，當然你仍然都可以用文字同佢傾偈嘅咁樣。Hi Rudy, can you tell us a little bit more about you? Because in fact, I'm now making a video to show my friends how AI tools like you can help us to improve our English, especially oral English.
Hiya, I'm Rudy, a bouncy red panda who chatters in super simple words to help little listeners build their talking skills.
好啦，呢度我都停一停咗先啦。咁大家咧，你就會留意到啦，其實佢嗰個咧，如果你對比翻頭先我嗰個電腦嗰個網頁版咧，佢錄取我講嘢咧，嗰個準確度係高好多噶，佢真係寫得晒清楚出嚟嘅。反而咧電腦嗰個咧，你見到佢答我嘅時候咧，就似乎佢真係聽得晒我講嘅嘢，但係佢即係 transcribe 我講嘅嘢嘅時候咧，就唔清楚嘅，就會爭啲嘅。咁所以咧，嗱，你見到我而家同呢個雖然一個小朋友用嘅版本啦，其實都好正常咁對答到嘅。你可以問佢一啲，我估你可以嘗試問佢一啲咧都比較深嘅嘢。嗱，你可以問佢深嘅嘢又得，問佢淺嘅嘢都得，可以試下嘅。Okay, Rudy, what do you think about the meaning of life? Do you think you have any idea about that?
Big question. I think life's about chasing tail and still landing on your feet.
哇！原來真係唔可以同佢講啲咁深嘅嘢，我以為可以同佢講啲深啲嘅嘢，不如同佢講啲學術啲嘅嘢，睇佢識唔識先。問佢不如問佢啲 history 啊，試下問。Okay, Rudy, do you have any idea what happened on the same day 100 years ago in Hong Kong?
Let me think. I don't know any stories from Hong Kong on that exact day.
Okay,
back
never
in
mind. How good are you in physics? Do you think you can coach me to learn my physics?
Physics?
Hmm.
Physics is fun, like a bouncy ball. I'll teach you the basics, I promise.
How about
We can do it-
mathematics? How about mathematics? Like, if let's say I'm a secondary 3 student, do you think you can help me with my math?
Oh, math is like a puzzle with hidden treasures. I'm good with numbers, just like counting the stripes on my tail. If you're in secondary school, we can start with simple algebra, percentages, or even fun things like shapes.
How about calculus? Do you have any idea about, do you know what calculus is? And do you think you can help me to learn what calculus is? Because I have no idea what calculus is.
Okay, so for starters, calculus is kind of like a magic pair of glasses that lets you see how things change, like how fast your kite zooms or how your ice cream scoop shrinks.
OK， 嗱，咁大家就留意到咧，原來你問佢一啲深啲嘅嘢咧，其實都唔係真係咁幼稚嘅，佢答你嘅嘢。你可以問到佢，譬如你問佢，頭先我問佢數學，即係問佢 calculus 啦。咁理論上佢應該佢資料庫有咧，佢就會答到你嘅。咁咧大家就可以咧嘗試試下啦，用呢啲嘅工具啦，喺你平時嘅時候咧，我撳咗電腦添，其實撳電腦呢度冇反應，我要撳個手機。咁大家平時可以嘗試多啲去用呢個 AI 工具啦，同你去練習一下咧你嘅英文啊。相信咧多啲同即係多啲去講咧，放膽啲去講咧。咁其實咧就可以幫到你流利啲啦，起碼唔會驚先啊，唔會話太過怕錯先啦嚇。咁下一次就有機會咧，再同大家介紹其他嘅工具同埋好嘅一啲嘅AI 啦。